Now we will discuss about where does photosynthesis takes place. Generally we say photosynthesis takes place in leaf. John Ingersoll proposed that only green plant pods could carry out the process of photosynthesis. Who proposed that? John Ingersoll. What he proposed is only green plant pods could carry out the process of photosynthesis. After that John Ingersoll's proposition in 1817, Peltier and Caravaggio obtained and extract the pigment and named it chlorophyll. But they thought chlorophyll is present entire the plant cell. After that, in 1883, Julius von Sachs observed the chlorophyll in leaves. He found that chlorophyll is not present entire the leaf. He found that chlorophyll is present in chloroplast. This is the leaf. If we cut the leaf, like this, the picture is shown like this. This is the TS of the leaf. This is the real picture of the TS of leaf under the microscope. This is the cuticle. And this is the upper epidermis cells. And this is also cuticle. This is lower epidermis cells. They both are belongs to dermal tissue. What is the function of dermal tissue? Protect the part of the plant. And they both are belongs to ground tissue. How many types of ground tissue? Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. These both are belongs to parenchyma. This is the palisade parenchyma. Palisade parenchyma cells have dot-like structure. Is called chloroplast. Spongy parenchyma cells have also dot-like structure and also called as chloroplast, which are arranged in sequence are called as palisade parenchyma, which are arranged in unsequence are called as spongy parenchyma. This is stomata. Stomata have God cells. God cells have also chloroplasts. Palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma have also chloroplast. Which parts have chloroplast? Palisade parenchyma and spongy parenchyma. And stomata God cells. Stomata God cells have also chloroplast. This is the chloroplast structure. Chloroplast is a membranous structure. Chloroplast have 3 layers. Outer 2 layers forms and develops. The innermost layer, sac-like structure, is called grana. It is believed for trap of the solar energy. The intermediate fluid-filled portion between the grana is called stroma. It is believed for enzymatic reactions. It synthesizes glucose and forms starch. Which capture sunlight are called photosynthetic pigments. Photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoids and phycobilians. Chlorophyll A is bluish green in color and chlorophyll B is yellowish green in color. This is the structure of chlorophyll. Chlorophyll contains one atom of magnesium. It is similar to hemoglobin. This is the hemoglobin structure. Hemoglobin contains one atom of